drop him in 3 moves. Now, if you can avoid it or walk away, choose that. But if there is no other choice, protect yourself fast, smart, and without hesitation. Now here's the combo. My first strike is going to be a palm heel jab. So I'm going to step in with that palm heel jab to the nose or underneath the chin. That palm heel jab can retract, or I can keep it in their face to blind them. My second strike is going to be a rear horizontal elbow. I follow up with that rear horizontal elbow. Now, after the palm heel jab, you're out of range for the elbow, so you have to step in again to get that elbow strike. This is very important. So I do my palm heel jab, I have to step in again to get that horizontal elbow strike. Now I've entered. I can strike or hack to the side of that neck, or just grab onto his clothing. Check his arm. Drop your forearm down for a wedge to stop them from trying to tackle. We're going for a double. From here, I can knee the groin and I can escape. Or, if they cover up after that palm heel strike, you hit him with a palm heel strike, boom, and he covers his face. As I go to throw that elbow, it's blocked. You're going to grab onto that arm and you're going to pull him into a hook punch to the side of the head, or you can use your palm heel. Pull him into a palm heel strike to the jaw and escape.